Here is a money application problem with dealing with scientific notation. Suppose you have $1 million in pennies. A penny is 1.55 millimeters thick. 1.55 millimeters. How tall would a stack of all your pennies be? Write the answer in scientific notation. Well, first off, $1. Let's go over facts here. $1 equals 100 pennies. Therefore, $1 million would equal 100 million pennies. $100 million. So we want to find the total. What's the problem asking us? It's saying how tall would the stack of all your pennies be? So we want to find the total height. The way that you do that, you're going to take 1.55 millimeters and multiply it by 100 million pennies. So I'm taking the height, or the thickness, of my pennies. The thickness is also equivalent to the height, and multiplying it by $100 million, $1 million. Multiplying it by the amount of money. Or better yet, the quantity of pennies. So to set this up in scientific notation, so the total height of pennies would end up being 155 million millimeters. Equals the total height of pennies. But how do we set this up in the scientific notation? Think of this. The decimal needs to move so I have 155 million pennies. But I can start to set this up into scientific notation. I know that I want one number to be to the left of my decimal point. That would be our 1. And I have a 0.55 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So I'm going to stop at 0.55 because any zero preceding this point I can drop. So 1.55 times 10. Now all I need to do is find out the number of exponents. Well, if I were to write 155 million in a form to where there's only one number to the left of the decimal, I would have 1.55000000. Fix that. And now, when I get to this point, all I have to do is count how many times the decimal would have to move to get back to its original position. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spots to get to its original position. So the decimal moved to the right 8 places. It means that it moved in a positive direction. Therefore, the following scientific notation would be 1.55 times 10 to the 8th power millimeters. If we were to work this out and convert to miles, it would be about 96 miles tall.